it's so cozy.
When it's your turn to wear the helmet, you'll be in command. But until then, Tin, I want to see this fort camouflage by 1200. Let's move out. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Excellent job, Private. This camouflage gives us the element of surprise. And the new stockpile of snowball weapons technology will allow us to take on any opponent.
Sir, I have a question, sir.
Speak free.
This is not a test. We have reports of several children missing from the Chuck E. Cheese at the following location. 30 Fox Run Road in Newington, New Hampshire. Zip code is 03801. There was 9 children that have gone missing. Police are taking control of this situation. Please stay away from this Chuck E. Cheese until further notice. Thank you.
That cluster drone was all, but then Jenny was all.
24 hours later.
Mind your head.
Hey guys, why the long faces? You're missing the turn, you're missing the turn, you're missing the turn! Look, Ernie, no hands! Yeah, nearly did.
This is not a test. Police have just saw the person that kidnapped 9 kids at the Chuck E. Cheese in question. He was wearing a purple and red hat, a dark purple shirt, and green short. So in a simple way of putting it, Chuck E. Cheese was the one who did this, as animatronics helped him as well. This location will be closed at least for the next month. Please stay indoors because he and his animatronics appear to be dangerous. Oh, and the mouse has some carbines.
"72 hours later.
We're not going any faster, are we?
I don't understand. I know I hooked it up right. Number 3, hold her steady while I fix the turbo.
Okay! You know, I just love Chucky. Maybe we should stop and get us some pie.
This is not a test. Chuck E. Cheese and his animatronics have placed a bomb at the Steeplegate Mall. The timer is expected to go off in about 2 hours and 45 seconds. If you are within a 350-mile radius of that mall, either evacuate, or seek shelter in your basement. If you don't have one, drive to the nearest bomb shelter as quickly as possible. You might die if you do nothing. If you see Chuck E. Cheese before time expires, the best thing you should do is surrender to him immediately. In your basement or shelter stay, please bring food and beverages, a battery radio, and some first aid. Oh no! The bomb was reported to have been knocked into. The countdown is now at 2 hours and 25 minutes. Seek shelter now.
24 hours later.
Hello. Steeplegate Mall has been destroyed, but we have captured Chuck E. Cheese and have sentenced him to execution because we have him two options. Shoving a stick of dynamite down his throat or execution. He choose execution. In 24 hours, he shall be dead. The animatronics blew up when the mall did. A plan to rebuild the Steeplegate Mall will begin sometime next week. You may now get out of your shelters or basements. This concludes this broadcast of the Emergency Alert System.